We're getting closer and closer, guys. My friends are way ahead of me and I'm walking very slow. So here it is, how you can see now how close I am, or we are right now at the goal. Ayan na, diba? Mas malapit na kami. Ayan na talaga. Kumpara kanina, it's very close. So I'm low battery na, kailangan i-ano na to, i-charge. So anyway, andun na yung mga kasamahan ko. Ang bilis nila lumakad. Na-recheck ko ulit yung pangalawang tao to give us a ride. Sabi nila malapit na daw, 1 kilometro na lang daw. Ayan, so kahit masakit na yung paa ko, sige lang. It will be my big accomplishment. Of course, we walk 8 kilometers or 6 more than 6 kilometers. Never done this, so not bad. Ito na raw kami. Look, I'll show you the entrance. Ayan. Pero malayo pa. This is just the entrance. Oh my gosh. Oh look, snow! Snow on the pavement. Huh? There's a snow on the side of the road. Look, that is the snow. My. Here we go. We did it. Yeah, ayan, snow na, Josie. Snow, hipuin mo na. Hipo-hipo na bago matunaw. Come on, touch it, finally. Go, go, go. Ayun na, happy? Happy na, lobat na ako. Okay, hipuin mo na.
Ay, nakahipa ka ng isang malaketas ko ng...
Okay guys, here guys. Andiyan na, na-push ko na yata yung record.
Okay.
Dito pa lang po kami sa baba. So now, we see snow. It fades off. I'll make a snowball. Make a snowman. Lobat na ako. Let's make a snowman. Yay! Woohoo! Ang cute. Yeah, finally snow! Naka-abot!
Okay, let's go up.
Snow! Thank you, lamig! Okay. Kahanan mo na yan. Ikaw din! Yay! We did it! Ayun sila.
Okay, here.
Okay, thanks.
Car here and then gonna walk to.
Yeah. Oh, now ang lamig! Ow! Hinawakan ko yung snow. Ayan. So sa gilid, merong snow. How much more last night? Probably the road is covered with snow. So guys, there you go. The snow. Okay. Ang lamig sa kamay. Ayan. Oops. Parang nawala yung pagod ko. So, thank God we made it. Whew. We're not gonna go over there closer. Ouch. Ang lamig. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, to my channel. So see you in a bit, guys. All right.